Welcome back to another episode of our Egypt travel vlog series. Our journey takes us back in time to ancient Egypt, where we answer one of the age-old burning questions: are there crocodiles in the Nile? We find our answer at a mysterious temple built around 180 BC. We just woke up and we're on the Nile and we're sailing, and this is the view outside of our balcony. Wow, look at this golden sun. Welcome to Kom Ombo! Woo! 30 minutes north of Aswan, we reach Kom Ombo Temple, built during the Greco-Roman period. So this temple is unique because it was dedicated to two gods: House of the Crocodile and Castle of the Falcon. It's almost 3,200 years old, and you can still see the paint on the falcon wings. So the circle is a sun disk for the god Ra. You can still see the color, the blue color coming through on her headdress and on the flowers too. So the center area here was for sacrifices of animals, and there was an underground area where the blood would drip down.
Come on down here, I'll show you. Thank you, my friend, but I think we're all very comfortable up here.
These right here are vultures. That's the national bird, and it's featured on the flag of Egypt. This is incredible. We're right on the banks of the Nile, and just look at this hallway full of columns. There's even a ceiling, and there's carvings everywhere.
Horus?
Thoth,
Wait a minute.
god of wisdom. Hathor, goddess of love. The king in this scene, the king is in the center, and he's being crowned by the gods. And here he's being given the key of life.
Never ever see a belly like this. You will never ever see a bottom like this. Look, Egyptian or pharaonic monuments, tombs and temples, everything is so flat, like teeny weeny, yes? Breast. They don't show a full breast. I mean, no, I don't mean very little. Yes, they always show the breast very small. Yes? No curves for the bottoms. Never ever you can see knees. Look at the knees here. Look at the knees, everyone. Greco-Roman influence.
Greco-Roman influence. So this is a Greco-Roman temple, and you can tell by the depictions of the carvings. They have a Greek influence in the style and the shapes of the figures. And also you can tell the age of the temple based on the crown of the head.
As we can see. Yes? Huh? This is such a lovely scene.
So the crocodile god appears many times in this temple, and our guide was saying the reason why they're faced in profile version is because it's more expressive. They can show them doing things, giving offerings, crowning the king, etc. This looks like it was carved yesterday. I mean, it's so clear. Look at this. So in this scene, we have the south, the north, being crowned with the double crown to unify, and then that's Horus. Up here are the spirits that will face you in the afterlife, all kinds of double-headed snakes.
Why, Dr. Jones, whatever are you doing in such a nasty place? Why don't you come on down here, I'll show you.
And he's wearing the pharaonic kilt for the pharaoh. Remember? She's smiling.
Look at the bottom.
So this right here shows the Greek influence because they're wearing Greek tunics. And this was carved 2,200 years ago. Just look at the detail. So he is serving him McDonald's on a plate. Happy Meal with a soda.
Hey, would you watch it? Sorry.
So our guide was saying that hieroglyphics can be read left to right or right to left or top to bottom. It depends on which way these symbols are facing. So this would be read that way. And it kind of looks like emojis. Do you think that they look like ancient emojis? Comment below. Kom Ombo. So our guide was saying that underneath here is the crypt where they kept buried treasure and also escape routes. But no one knows what was in this little door. Moo ha 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 ha. Our guide just said that they have mummified crocodiles here. Let's go find out. Wow. These are the mummified crocodiles found here on this temple. So our guide said that any animal that they worshipped would be mummified. The crocodile god's name is Sobek. All kinds of stuff for sale here. The mall has come to us. We're pulling away from the temple now. We're back on the boat. This is the sun deck. Back on our Nile River cruise, we head up to the top deck to catch some sun and beautiful views. This is incredible. We're on the banks of the Nile. There's all these palm trees. Now let's take a tour of the ship's dining hall and staterooms. So this is our triplet room on the boat. Oh, no view. But we do have a fairly decent bathroom.
Sailing down the Nile. Go get some tea now.
On that note, stay tuned and subscribe for more travel videos.